From crunch to smooth, I think this is a complete experience.
Also, the one advantage of eating on the street is, जैसे प्राची ने बोला, every puri can be customized. तीखा, मीठा. I think the avocado is a fab inclusion in the chart. It's basically made with crushed puri and not with kurumura.
So it's a bhel made only with puris. अभी इसमें एक भी पूरी नहीं है, सब आधी अधूरी है.
So it has just started raining in Mumbai, and I think rains में चाट खाने का मजा ही कुछ और है.
I mean it's heaven.
It's very cliched, but मजा तो आता है.
आज ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा क्योंकि हम दो अलग टाइप के चाट खाएंगे ऑन द स्ट्रीट और चाट विद अ डिफरेंस. एक है चीप, एक है
Very expensive. Let's try two different experiences. Come on. ऐसे बहुत टाइम के बाद ना मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है. It is just I don't know where to start.
Okay, then I'll tell you where to
Yes,
start
please.
because when all this outstanding, beautiful looking
Yes.
chaat came here, they had me at Aam Panna. This is pani puri और इसका जो पानी है आम पन्ना फ्लेवर है. So we're going to start with
Start
this.
with this. So इसमें दो varieties है. So there is smoked sweet potato और इसमें avocado filling है. So you're going for the smoked potato. Go
Smoked
for it.
sweet potato because I absolutely love shakarkand.
Avocado because avocado. Cheers.
Oh wow.
Immediately I can say it ticks off everything. Sweet, tangy, chatpata, superb filling. I
Okay, and the most important thing in a pani puri for me is the crunch of the puri. वो कुरकुरी खुश्क होनी चाहिए. It can't be chewy or hard.
and most important thing for me is पानी ठंडा होना चाहिए और गिरना नहीं चाहिए. Oh no.
और ये full marks है. गिरेगा तो सही है. It's okay. You can't do it the English style with the pinky up. But
Oh wow.
the avo one.
I prefer the avocado filling. It just feels fuller on your mouth now.
The avo is so smooth. Oh my god, it's delicious.
Superb.
I think from one innovation to one classic.
Can do.
The palak patta chaat has a aloo palak tikki over here. Before the palak patta gets soggy, let's do this. Sweet curd, burst of chutneys,
Sweet curd.
yeah, sweet curd, and some aloo palak tikki. And this time I shall change tradition. Sorry.
You shouldn't change traditions.
I'll try again. How goes?
This is super crunchy.
Yeah?
Mm.
Okay, I'm going to try it then without
Yeah.
the paraphernalia. Wow, it's like wafers. I'm going to taste the aloo palak tikki with this amazing tomato chutney. This tomato chutney is so good, I'm going to take it home.
Take it and go.
Avo papdi chaat.
Avo.
Avo papdi chaat.
Chaat.
Avo. Gayo.
I think the avocado is a fab inclusion in the chart.
Wow.
Good.
Just look at the detailing. This puffed rasgira.
Wow. Superb. एक हर्ष को खिला.
मेल्ट हो गया ना तू.
Because avocado is it's a fab this thing ingredient in the this
Who
thing.
could have thought?
It just works. It just works like crazy.
All right, this one is for our sweet Avni.
Since she's leaving us soon. So in spite of the newness and the novelty in the charts
Right.
and the contemporary experience that Bombay Sweet Shop has is trying to give their customers, I think that the chart is still a chart. So it's like we were saying, it's crunchy, it's tangy, it's sweet,
Spicy.
it is spicy, and it's got the pillars of a chart
Yeah.
really. But it's an experience that they want to serve sit down, बैठ के खाओ, street style का मजा inside a sit down
Comfortable
space.
Also, ऐसे बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहा है कि हम कोई भी exotic चीज खा रहे हैं.
Yes, although the humble potato has been interchanged with the avocado, but it doesn't feel like you're not having a chaat. They still retain the mushiness of a potato, the bite of the potato where your mouth is full. And
I think the avocado lends itself excellently to these
brilliantly,
preparations.
brilliantly.
And it's like it's merging really well with with the job that a potato was supposed
Yes,
to do.
this is the Kota Kadhi chaat inspiration. It's the pyaz kachori
In a pumpkin curry.
in a pumpkin curry chaat.
Wow. Yeah. Pumpkin curry.
Okay then,
Before the kachori, the pumpkin curry was like
hits you.
it hits you and it's so good.
Aapki aankh. What the hell? Take a big one. Oh yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna dissect.
Dissect the pumpkin.
Oh, whoa, no, not the pumpkin. The kachori is so well filled. Look.
तो फीलिंग में पता चल रहा है. Nice, lovely. I love it.
और too. दो तीन चीजें मुझे अमेजिंग लगी. One is पानी पूरी के अंदर जो स्टफिंग है, ये जो प्याज है, ये पिकल्ड प्याज है.
Pickled onion, yeah.
That's already making it so zingy. Then that aam panna.
Aam panna.
And the avocado.
Why are you keeping it down?
Because I'm talking about it.
अरे राम का बाण है, वो एक बार उठा लिया तो फिर खींचना ही पड़ता है.
From crunch to smooth, I think this is a complete experience.
From crunch to smooth. इसको टेक्स्ट में डालना, crunch to smooth.
Literally in my yard,
Yes.
not even my backyard.
Absolutely.
It is
तो
the
अब
yard.
सिर्फ तू बताएगी कहाँ पे कि हमको यहाँ पे क्या खाना है.
Yes. So Ram and Sham chaat is world famous in Santa Cruz. और यहाँ पर हम खाएंगे सेव पूरी, which is outstanding, pani puri, which is outstanding, ragda patties, which is outstanding, and we want to try an innovation on the street.
And there is this one thing which is called puri tod. What is that?
पता नहीं, वो मैंने कभी नहीं खाया. So let's try.
Let's try that.
एक पानी पूरी, एक सेव पूरी, एक रगड़ा पैटिस और एक पूरी तोड़. लेकिन हम शुरू करेंगे पानी पूरी.
पानी पूरी से, okay. Medium. Yes. मूंग दाल रगड़ा, मीठी चटनी, स्पाइसी चटनी.
अब मुझे रगड़ा ज्यादा, मीठी चटनी ज्यादा.
मेरे को नॉर्मल जैसा है. So this is one of the more famous chaat places in Bombay. We're in Santa Cruz, Ram and Sham Chaat. And just before we started rolling, there was a huge queue over here. That's why we were waiting. और भाई हम जल्दी नहीं खाएंगे तो फिर और पीछे से ये आने वाला है. But the pani puri is fab. It's just fab. The tikha pani.
My
Wow,
favorite.
nice.
I always eat the pani puri here with the extra ragda because ये गरम रगड़ा पानी में पूरी में डालते हैं और उसके ऊपर चिल्ड पानी डालते हैं वो हॉट रगड़ा और चिल्ड पानी जब ऐसे पूरी फटती है ना मुंह में, नो वर्ड्स.
Also, the one advantage of eating on the street is, जैसे प्राची ने बोला, every पूरी can be customized. तीखा, मीठा,
कभी आलू, कभी रगड़ा, कभी
कभी
मूंग.
प्याज, कभी नो तीखा, कभी नो मीठा, कभी only पूरी, सूखा पूरी. That is, you can't take that away from a street stall in Mumbai. So I am starting with the sev puri because it's my absolute favorite.
Because you can't save it for later.
Mm.
And I'm starting with the ragda patties. And why I'm already liking it before I eat it is this curry on top, kacha curry in this mango season.
Immediately पता चलता है कि चटनी बहुत fresh है. There is a slight tang to every. Wow! And magically, it appears again. There's a slight tang to every bite that you get over here. I think that's why it's so famous.
I'm in general a fan of their ragda.
Is
The
it?
ragda goes in the pani puri, the ragda goes of course in the ragda patties, and I really
But
like
where's
it.
the patties?
It's in the center because the ragda is actually really mildly spiced, and then all the chutneys make up for it.
पूरा चटनी का खेल है. पूरा चटनी और रगड़े का खेल है. No, that tang that
This is a classic all-time favorite. Ram Sham Sev Puri.
Bombay. Can I say
Eaten in a
something?
messy way. इधर सेव, इधर चटनी की मूछे.
Can I say something controversial?
No.
I genuinely prefer Bombay chaat to Delhi chaat. Except for the dahi stuff that Delhi do, I genuinely prefer Bombay chaat to Delhi
I think
chaat.
there are a few things that make Bombay chaat what it is, which is the sev puri, bhel puri, mani puri. ये चीजें आपको कहीं और के चाट में वैसी नहीं
नहीं मिलेगी, for sure. I'm gonna have one more of this. Also the lasun chutney. It adds to the whole.
Like every kind of palate is there when you eat chaat. You get your sweet, spicy, tangy, texture, soft, crunchy, smooth. अभी हम like out of words.
Now this is the puri tod,
चलो.
which is spelled as tod. It's basically made with crushed puri and not with kurumura.
So it's a bhel made only with puris. अभी इसमें एक भी पूरी नहीं है. सब आधी अधूरी है.
No, mashallah. It's very bad.
Well, that's
Oh, wow.
what. Good.
Oh, wow. थोड़ा तो इनोवेशन स्ट्रीट पे भी होता है बॉस. एवोकाडो नहीं है तो क्या हुआ? Within the ingredients that we have, we will innovate.
वैसे तो मुंबई के हर गली के हर कोने पे नुक्कड़ पे आपको चाट वाला तो मिल जाएगा. And everyone will swear by their गली के चाट.
Yeah.
Right? But राम शाम.
But I will swear by प्राची की गली का चाट.
दूर से लोग राम शाम की चाट
No.
खाने आते हैं.
That is-
जब भी
that-
मैं यहाँ पर आई हूँ.
That is a fact. That is a
जब भी
fact.
मैं यहाँ पर आई हूँ, I have always met people who come from South Bombay, from Borivali, and they've traveled and they've come here to eat the chaat.
That's an absolute fact. मेरे घर के बाहर भी चाट वाला है, but it's
And since this episode is cheap versus expensive, I would like to bring your attention to the fact that Mercedes से एक भेल आपो का order आया है for the street chaat.
yes. And also cheap versus expensive is not just in terms of money. It is the experience that we are talking about. Fact that there is innovation in something that is slightly priced more than a regular chaat. I think it's going to be a little difficult to.
Pick an experience this versus that.
But we will pick because it's a job. So let's rate Bombay Sweet Shop ke charts first.
Bandra Pani Puri,
Bandra Pani Puri 10.
10. The Avo Papdi chaat.
Also 10.
Yeah, 10. The Palak Patta chaat.
10.
Yeah, 10. Especially I'm giving 10 for that tomato chutney. Pyaz kachori in curry.
Pyaz kachori in the pumpkin curry, 10 boss. वो तो there is no
Yeah.
question about it.
So that is also 10 for me.
Yeah.
And coming to our good old Ram Sham. Starting with the pani puri.
9.5.
9.
9.
Sev puri.
Because there's a special place in my heart for sev puri, 9.9. Addition में problem होगा तेरे को? अच्छा वो पीछे से आवाज आ रही है कि वो 9.9 एडिशन में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगा था 0.1 फॉर द गार्लिक चटनी.
So 10?
10.
Okay. So sev puri is 10 for me. Puri tod.
9.
Yeah. Puri tod is 8 for me because मुझे सेव पूरी और इसमें खास फर्क नहीं लगा और अगर दोनों में से एक खाना है तो मैं सेव पूरी खाऊं.
तो हाँ एक्चुअली या
because I like that whole
हाँ
experience.
तो मैं भी 8 I think.
Cheater.
I like your explanation.
Okay fine. Ragda Palace.
Because of the generous use of the ragda, 8.
Okay. 8.
Also, if you compare the price and the experience that you get, I think it's fine. You get a good, wholesome chaat on the street for maybe 80-90 bucks a pop. I think it's fine because it's the experience, it's the ambience. It's also
and it's really good chaat.
It's good chaat and it's also the quantity. It's good quantity of chaat.
Yeah. So I had a little bit of a prejudice कि मुझे चाट ऐसे sit down fancy जगह पर खाना पसंद ही नहीं है because I just feel that it takes away from the fun of the chaat. But my mind has definitely changed after coming. This is not the same chaat served on a table.
It's not. Yeah.
It's a different thing completely, and it's
without
actually
losing its properties.
So if you are curious कि ऐसा क्या है बॉम्बे स्वीट शॉप के चाट में कि हम इतना पैसा देके भी खाने को एंजॉय कर सकते हैं.
And if you are curious कि यहाँ पे इतनी भीड़ क्यों है, इतना पॉम पिम क्यों हो रहा है, for that also you come here and experience it. But if I had to pick one place, I would pick Bombay Street Shop. Keeping my biases aside, just I think we're in the age of innovation, and अगर वहाँ पे कुछ experimental कुछ innovation हो रहा है without really changing the traditional taste of food, I think I'm all in for it, and I don't mind paying for it.
So for me, it's going to be Ram Sham simply because if I want to keep eating chaat, this is better because it's pocket friendly. And for that once in a while special chaat day, if I want to go there with someone special or if I have an occasion to celebrate, I'll go there.
On that note, like, share, comment, subscribe because our viewers are more than our subscribers. So subscribe, and if you don't subscribe, Bag will get angry, and you don't want to. She did this. And you don't want to make her angry.
So you don't want to antagonize the tiger.
Absolutely. And on that note,
आते रहिए, खाते रहिए और पूछिए खाने में.
पूछते रहिए.
पूछते रहिए. Okay. On that note, आते रहिए, खाते रहिए, पूछते रहिए खाने में
क्या है.
I want to know पानीपुरी में क्या है. क्या हो गया आज दोनों को किल कर दिया भाई.
है ना?
Spiked. वो क्या बोलते हैं? मैं पानीपुरी को spiked.
What was spiked?
Water was spiked. Mumbai की.
That tang, no?
Typical.
हाँ बोल.
No street chat experience is complete without the सूखा पूरी in the end. अभी तुझे वो रखना पड़ेगा. Okay.